and as you guys can see, we are playing Minecraft Java Edition on our Android devices. Hey, what's up guys, it's Bifrost here, back again after a long time, but today's video is going to be amazing because I'll be talking about how to easily play Minecraft Java Edition 2024 on your Android devices by simply using an app from Play Store. I'll be also showing you guys the best settings, gameplay and much more. So before starting, if you guys are new here, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and let's start with minimum requirements. You will need at least Android 5.0 or above. So yeah, the minimum requirements are very low with at least 3 GB RAM, and that's about it guys. If you meet these minimum requirements, then you are good to go. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin. First of all, you just have to open Play Store and search for a simple app. Very easy to use Minecraft Java Edition game for Android. So just go ahead and search for Pojav Launcher. In its latest update, you can now play the latest version of Minecraft Java Edition, which is the 1.20 and above. So I'll be showing you guys the complete setup of Pojav Launcher in 2024, including gameplay, best settings and much more. Once you open the game for the first time, right here you'll be able to see default, which is 1.7.10. Now it is an older version of Minecraft Java Edition, so we'll just go ahead and tap on the edit option. Now what you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the select button, and afterwards you'll get lot of options such as release, snapshot and much more. So you can even play the latest beta builds of Minecraft Java Edition on Android legally, because Pojav Launcher is a completely open source project, and as I mentioned before, Android version 5 or above is minimum requirement. So we'll set the version to 1.20.4, which is the latest version as of filming this video. You guys can use any version that is latest according to your timeline. Anyways, once that has been done, you can also select a custom path, though I'll recommend you guys to keep it as default. Once that has been done, in terms of renderer, I recommend you guys to use the fastest renderer, which is Holy GL4ES, and it works with all version. It is super fast. If you guys have an Android 10 or above device, then you can use Zinc Vulkan, which is mostly used in emulators, and it also works properly, though we'll be going with the fastest version of Minecraft Java Edition renderer. Once that has been done, we'll just go ahead and tap on the save button, and there we go. At the bottom section, you will be able to see that 1.20.4 of Wine has been added. Now what you have to do is tap on the preferences icon. Afterwards, you'll have to go to the first option, which is the video and renderer. So let's just go ahead and open it. As I told you guys before, renderer is Holy GL4ES. Once that has been done, you will see two options. These are very important. The first option is resolution scaler. Now what I recommend you guys to do is, if you have an low-end Android device, keep the resolution as low as possible, though I recommend you guys that 50% resolution scaling should be best for 60 FPS gameplay on Minecraft Java Edition Android. So Snapdragon 860 processor or below, make sure to use 50% resolution scaler. If you guys have an high-end device, you can obviously keep it at 100%, though in my recommendation 80% is what you should use, even if you have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Android device with 16 GB RAM. Once that has been done, you will be able to see another option known as enable sustained performance. It will limit thermal throttling by limiting peak performance of your Android device. If your device heats up quite a lot and if your game starts lagging after 5 to 10 minutes, then make sure to enable this option. If your game doesn't lag, then make sure to disable this option. But once that has been done, you can easily save the settings, though there is an additional setting known as alternate surface rendering may help performance in GPU bound scenarios. We'll also have to enable this. Afterwards, another setting will unlock known as force enable VSync, but we'll keep this disabled because we want more than 30 FPS, though if you enable VSync, your gameplay will be much more stable. Once that has been done, let's go to Java tweaks. Right here you will be able to see memory allocation. This is another one of the important settings where you can control how much memory is given to Minecraft. Now as I mentioned before, my device has 16 GB RAM, so I can go all the way up to 14 GB of memory that I can distribute to Minecraft, though I'll always recommend you, no matter how much RAM you have, use 4 GB as the maximum memory allocation for Minecraft Java Edition. This is the best setting even for low-end devices and high-end devices. If you have only 4 GB RAM, then I recommend you to keep it anywhere from 1500 MB to 2000 MB. But as I have good amount of RAM, we'll keep the memory allocation to 4 GB. Once that has been done, we'll check out miscellaneous setting. Keep everything as default, but if you are facing any crashing issues, then you can enable this option known as use system Vulkan driver, though I wouldn't recommend you guys enable that option. But everything has been now set up. All we have to do is tap on this play button. Afterwards, just go ahead and tap on local. Afterwards, type your email. Once we are successfully logged in, just go ahead and tap on the play button. In the bottom section, you will see task in progress, so just wait for around 2 to 5 minutes until that task is completed. Your game won't start. So just be patient and I'll be back once our game starts. And there we go guys, after the task in progress is completed, Minecraft Java Edition will successfully start on your Android devices. At the bottom section you will be able to see the Minecraft version, which is 1.20.4. Now I always recommend you guys, if you are using Pojav Launcher, then an amazing thing is that you can connect any controller to it. I recommend you guys to use an controller. So right here you will have to first of all map all the buttons, and yeah, now we have successfully configured our Minecraft Java Edition or Pojav Launcher to work with an gamepad. So just go ahead and tap on the GUI button to disable the on-screen touch controls, and as you guys can see, we are playing Minecraft Java Edition on our Android devices. Using an controller to actually play Minecraft on your Android devices is super genius and pretty easy. In just some time we'll also see the moment of truth. How well will Minecraft Java Edition work on our Android devices? Will we get great FPS? Let's find out. World has been loaded, and yeah, there we go guys. Our game has successfully started, and just take a look at how smooth is this actually working, man. I am super impressed. As you can see, all the buttons are working properly, so we can just go ahead and mine these blocks. If you install mod packs such as Pixelmon mode, RLCraft mode, then yeah, this game will be very amazing. I'll be making a video on them pretty soon, so please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification. Let me also give you guys some additional tips. So if you just go ahead and press back, you can now head on over to the options tab, where if you just go ahead and open video settings, if your game is lagging, then you can also decrease the biome blend to off, which is fastest. You can decrease the render distance or increase it according to your device specification. So yeah, just make sure to try out these settings. If your game is lagging, then turn off everything. If your game doesn't lag, then you can go all the way up to fabulous graphics and increase the render distance. Afterwards, let's just go ahead and tap on the done button. Let's tap on done again. Let's go back to the game, and there we go. Even after modifying the settings, you'll be able to notice that our game is working properly. So yeah guys, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification, as that's going to be it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.